Good morning. Yes, the feud continues. I'm having my coffee and I hear bam, 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 bam. So, yeah, it's happening along the fence. Okay, so code enforcement just left, and they said apparently I did such a great job cleaning the front of her property that they got nothing they can do at this point. Yeah, so apparently because I've been cleaning up after her and trimming her trees, code enforcement doesn't see anything wrong at this point. But they said that, they'll check back in about 2 months or so. Yeah, her response, well, just don't clean up after her. Don't trim her tree anymore. Don't do anything. And build that brick wall. Okay, so apparently, yes, my cleaning up after the next door neighbor totally sabotaged my ability to show the mess that it collects there on a regular basis. But I am hoping that code enforcement will, because they notice that the fence is being sabotaged by her intentionally, that in the event she decides to keep sabotaging that fence, which I'm guessing she will, and for some reason it falls over on her side, that somehow there's been a notation that it fell on her side due to her own willingness to try and sabotage the fence, so that there's no legal way she can come after me and say I owe her money, because that won't fly. But oh gosh, yeah, I got to figure out what to do about the fence here. I'm hoping I can do a brick or block wall or something, or maybe get a retaining wall. I don't know. I just know that before I do anything, I apparently need a permit. Yep, 11 p.m., right on schedule. Time to start digging out the fence on the bottom there. You can see all the light starting to come through on the bottom. Oh man, really, I just don't understand the obsession with taking down this fence. It just, it's crazy. It really is crazy. I mean, she's more obsessed with taking down the fence, my fence, that took me forever to build, than cleaning her own backyard. Up. It's an hour later and the light is back on, and yep, back to making the hole a little bigger down there. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's been about a half an hour and they just turned the lights on again. So hopefully they're done for the night. I don't know, I just know that, yeah, that fence is definitely getting weaker every night. And it's back on again. Yeah, definitely that fence is getting weaker and weaker and weaker. And the hole is getting bigger on the bottom. Oh gosh. I guess the thing that gets me the most is to know that their whole yard is just completely a great big junkyard, and as much energy and time as they can spend to destroy the fence I built, it seems like they could invest just a little bit of that energy in cleaning their own yard. Just when I think it's okay to go to bed, what do I see? Yeah, the light's back on. Oh my gosh. She is definitely on a mission to take down the fence, and yes, it's definitely getting a little longer under there. She just keeps digging and digging and digging underneath the fence. Okay, 3 a.m. Lights out. Hopefully they're done for the night. Okay, so it's the following day, of course, and I'm getting ready to go look outside at the fence to see what the current damage status is. But last night, oh my gosh, from 11 p.m. till 3 a.m. every half hour for about a half an hour, somebody was out there. I guess doing something around that area, so I'm going to go see what's been done now. Yep, definitely on a mission. Too bad they can't invest that much energy in just cleaning their yard. Okay, clearly, it's not my imagination. And it's a shame, it really is, that the next door neighbor is so hell-bent on destroying the fence I built. Especially when it's taking so much energy for them to do that. It just seems like all that energy they could spend cleaning their own yard. Same bat time, same bat channel. Yep, apparently it's that time of the night. Time to start digging out the fence from underneath. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's now been 2 hours. Seriously, I'd like to think maybe they just turn the light on and they just leave it on, but nope. Oh gosh. Gotta admit, it's definitely weird, if nothing else, why somebody would invest so much time and energy digging out the bottom of somebody's fence. The neighbor's fence. I spent a lot of time putting up this fence. They went to bed, I think they went to bed around 1:30ish. And, well, my alarms went off and the lights went back on. So it's now 2 in the morning. So I guess they're not quite finished doing whatever they're doing out there by that fence. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go check on the fence again. Oh yeah, see, more there. And now there. Yeah, definitely sabotaged it intentionally. Yes. Intentionally dug out the whole bottom of my fence. And they're still digging every night. That's okay. Yeah, I did. The city came, they noticed. They see that they're digging it out intentionally.